Hey guys, welcome back to Create Java Programming. In today's session, we are going to talk about how to download JDK 24. So let's begin. So just type download JDK. Here we can see the official website of JDK. Click on that. Here we can see the latest version of JDK Java 24. Right? So depending upon your operating system, you can download from here. I'm using Windows, so that's why I'm going to here Windows button and I'm going to download 64-bit installer, right? So just click on that. Now you can see downloading is started, right? Let's see our download is completed, right? So open it and just double click on that. Just click on next, next and finish. Just click on next. It's asking us where to install JDK 24. So we can keep it by default or we can change it. So I'm just keeping it, it is by default, right? So let's click on next button. Our installation is completed, right? So just click on close button. So open your command prompt and just type Java that dash version. Here you can see we are using Java 23, but we need to upgrade it. How we can do that? So open, just click on this PC and go to properties and go to advanced system setting. Here we need to click on environment variables. So here just click on new button, move to C drive and go to program files and Java. Here you can see JDK 24, right? So till bin select. Control A, Control C, copy. Go to system property setting. Here we need to give Java underscore home. Variable value, just paste it. Control B. Whatever we have, copy from here, this path, copy this one and move to variable value and paste it here. So click on OK button. Now select path. I click on edit button. Here just click on new button and just paste it here. Now just click on OK button. Click on OK. Close window. Close this one. And now again open command prompt and just type Java dash version. Right. Now you can see it's giving JDK 23. Why? Let's see how we can resolve it. Go to advanced system setting, edit environment variables, and here we need to select path and click on edit button. Here we need to give paste it also here, right? Select that and move up. Click on OK button. Now here select path, click on edit button, select JDK 24, move it on top. Okay, 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 and close the window. Now again exit from this window. Now again open command prompt and just type Java dash version. Now you can see JDK 24 is right showing here. So from JDK 23, we have upgraded into JDK 24. So let's write a Java program. Open a command prompt and just type class A, type main method public static void main, string array of arguments, pass the message here, system dot out dot println. Here pass the message. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Now close the window. Now just save it. So go to file menu, go to click on save button. Here we have to go or in the drive and just type any, create a new folder like control shift n, new folder created, Java 24 programs, right? Here type file name, class name a dot java, and here save as type as all files and click on save button. Now to run this program, again open command prompt and go select D drive because we have saved our file in D drive. So we moved in D drive, right? So now we have to move in which directory? ls not working, dir this directory. So we have created a new folder Java 24 programs. So we have to move Java 24 programs. So what we need to write? CD Java 24 programs. Now dir. Here you can see we have created a file a.java. So to compile this Java program, we have to write Java C and file name dot Java. Now you can see our program is compiled. So to run this program, type Java A. Now you can see it's giving me thanks for watching, right? So that's all guys in today's session. Thanks for watching.